Guys, I think I want to talk about responsibilidad. I think that's a very Filipino and even just Chinese, but there's a lot of those talks and a lot of expectations from the family and your parents na parang hindi, responsibilidad mo, alagaan. And when I was growing up nga, I always remember my parents would always say, dapat magkaroon ka ng pamilya or magkaanak ka because when you grow older, meron mag-aalaga sa'yo. Now, I think there's nothing wrong with that mindset, or I personally, alam mo, kanya-kanya naman siya. But for me, I don't see it as something that I wanna do. Parang gets mo, I'm gonna have a child because gusto ko alagaan nila ako pagtanda. I don't think, for me personally, ganun on how I want to live my life, or I want, just in case my children, to have that pressure or burden pagtanda ko. So, parang it just doesn't sit well for me. But one thing that I personally do, kaya nga sabi ko responsibilidad, being panganay din sa family, yes, I do have that pressure, I do have that parang mindset. I think it's already ingrained in me eh. Kasi pag tumanda tayo, lumaki tayo, di ba, laging sinasabi ng parents natin na, o alagaan mo, ganyan, di ba? So may expectations na ganon. And one thing that I want to share, syempre this is my personal experience din, for lahat ng mga panganay dyan, lahat ng mga kids out there that's feeling that pressure and that burden, matinding yakap muna. But if I want to give my 2 cents on this topic, personally, how I would do it is always like, sabi ko nga, diba? When you want to help your family, when you want to be part of that responsibilidad, you always have to make sure that you've allot that money that you want to give to to your family. And when you allot that money, ang point ko doon is allotting is, kailangan when you give it out, you don't expect anything in return. Kasi that's one thing that will make you angry, that will make you sad, that will make you feel that unfair yung life. Kaya parang diba lagi ko sinasabi, when you want to help your family, when you want to set aside money for your family, set aside a portion of the money na you're willing to give. Kaya diba, when you have your money, magkano mo na yung money for yourself? Set that aside. Is it for your savings? Is it for your investment? Unahin mo yon. That's self-love. Then, whatever is allotted, na let's say you want to give for your family, yun yung ibigay mo. And when you give it wholeheartedly. You give it without asking anything in return. You give it because you want to give it. I know that, parang, I know that sasabihin nyo, mahirap yun eh, parang, if you just give everything, the point there is, you will feel empty, you will feel na parang ubus na ubus ka, and it will not be sustainable. Kaya nga parang, di ba, I think wag mong gawin na parang yung buong mundo will be on your shoulder, di ba? Parang pasan mo yung daigdig. Hindi siya dapat ganun eh. I know that sabihin nyo, experience, kaya nga sabi ko guys, this is my personal experience. I know it's very hard. It's a very hard topic talaga. But kasi, if you give out everything that you have, the thing there is, paano ka? And, di ba, you cannot be empty for you to be able to find, let's say, another side gig, another work that will help you earn. Di ba? Parang, kaya nga, di ba, sabi ko, I have all of my hustles, my side businesses, everything, nandyan siya. And I need time to do those things. But, I have a portion of my time na talagang for my family. And, that's for my parents, syempre, who's syempre growing older. But, whenever I give, whenever I take the time off for them, I know that I am not asking anything in return. But, in turn, when I grow older, it's something that I don't want to do for if ever man magkaroon ako ng child. It's something that I will not do for, I will not expect them to take care of me, and I will not ask them to take care of me, because that's something that I don't want them to experience, and it's not something that I want to do, na parang hindi, kailangan mo ako alagaan. I think for me, when I grow older, I want to break that norm na hindi, aalagaan ako ng anak ko or whoever man. That's why, final point ko, I have my retirement, I have my plans in place because I won't be needing that. I can use my retirement plan as my plan B, in short, in life. So, yun yung parang, just I wanna share that responsibilidad natin, that talk. And if this resonated to you and if you find it helpful, comment down below. I mean, this is my personal experience. Let me know. But I just want to leave that, again, lagi nyo na ako naririnig ito, self-love will never be selfish. Mahirap man siya, 'di ba? At the end of the day, if gusto mo talagang gawin, gusto mo akuhin yung responsibilidad, yes, you can. But when you do it out of love, out of things that you don't ask anything in return. Yun lang.